You know how to code. You might have even watched tutorials on how to build a full-stack web application with payment integration. But when it's time to actually start building, you hit a wall. You lack a validated product idea to execute. Today, we are going to fix that. In about 6 minutes, we are going to use an AI framework to generate 10 highly tailored, actionable software-as-a-service concepts. We are taking the raw, noisy chaos of market data on the internet and forcing it into a clean, organized system. You do not need a single pre-existing idea to begin this process. Having technical skills is only half the equation. If you build something without first identifying a validated market gap, you risk spending your time creating a product nobody wants to buy. This framework ensures your ideas have an audience before you write a single line of code. Step 1 is selecting our research engine. While Claude is great for many tasks, we need uninterrupted, deep internet scraping for this to work. For that, we will use Perplexity. Open a new chat, paste in our master prompt, and explicitly toggle on the Deep Research feature before hitting Enter. Unlike a standard search that stops at a few top results, Deep Research simultaneously explores dozens of branching paths. It pulls in specific data points and filters out irrelevant nodes. The AI won't generate ideas immediately. First, it initiates an interview phase, asking you 8 qualifying questions to define your project parameters. For the first set of inputs, select a specific industry. Let's use healthcare. For the target audience, we will choose the B2C, or direct-to-consumer market. For your development capacity, specify that you will use vibe coding to build the app. Then set your desired competition level to Blue Ocean, instructing the AI to find areas with minimal existing players. By setting these rigid boundaries, we prevent broad suggestions. It is forced to identify highly specific market gaps tailored precisely to your skill set. Let the AI complete its multi-site research. Once it finishes, request the final output formatted as a downloadable spreadsheet and save it. When you open that file, you will immediately see the problem. The raw export is a dense, overwhelmingly messy CSV file. We need to move from the chaotic, overlapping data on the left to a readable layout on the right. You could import this file into Google Sheets and apply text wrapping just to make the words stay inside their cells. But we are going to skip that manual workaround. Instead, we will build an automated dashboard solution. Evaluating a business idea requires cognitive clarity. Fighting with poorly formatted spreadsheets strains the focus you need to accurately analyze if an idea is viable. Step 2 is the visual transformation. Open the Claude desktop application to process the raw data. Navigate through the menu sequence, click Customize, then Skills, and select Upload a Skill. Start a new prompt and attach your messy CSV file directly to this custom dashboard skill. Type the exact prompt, create a dashboard for understanding this, and press Enter. The custom skill parses the raw CSV values, pulling the text through filter and snapping them into distinct UI categories. It converts complex text blocks into simple ranking scores and color-coded tags for immediate readability. Click the artifact output to open the resulting HTML file in a standard browser like Google Chrome. Converting data into an interactive UI solves the formatting problem. It transforms an overwhelming wall of text into a clear, comparative product roadmap. Review your finalized dashboard. The top recommended idea now cleanly displays the specific pain points it targets, followed by a final verdict explaining exactly why you should build it. Select one specific idea from this list and move directly into the development phase today. I have a 5.5-hour vibe coding tutorial on this channel that will walk you through the entire process of building your app. If this video hits 200 likes and leaving a comment saying registration, I will release a dedicated tutorial on running ads to get your first users. Generating a great idea is just the blueprint. Launching your app and getting your first 100 paying users is the ultimate validation. Get building.